So this is the Bandit EDC expansion band and gear organizer by Grimm Workshop. I will put a link in the description below, but check this out. I've got an Altoid style tin, and around it I've got this band. So inside of the tin is a fire kit. There are fire plugs from Pro Camp Tech and some fat wood slivers. Got a lighter, ceramic rod, through night T13 V2 flashlight, I love that thing, and a pocket bellows. I'll put links to these things in the description too. But check that out. Just keeps it all there. And there's room on the back for more. You know? Pretty cool. So if you're interested, these come in, I believe, 3 different sizes. There's this size, which also fits pretty well on a knife sheath. If you've got a bigger knife and you don't have a loop for ferro rod or whatever on the side of your knife, that might fit over it just perfectly. There's a bigger version that goes lengthwise from here to there on an Altoids tin. And the third size is roughly about this size, but it has Velcro. So instead of, it was so that if you're trying to put it on something where there's not access to get around it, you can just undo the band, put it around something, and Velcro it shut. And I got one of each in a Kickstarter program. But anyway, thing's pretty cool, so check it out. I'll put the link to Grimm Workshop below, and there you go.